morning. Thank you for calling BSU Apartel. This is Rodriguez speaking. How may I assist you?
Good morning. I would like to ask if there is an available room for this weekend.
Certainly, sir. May I confirm the exact dates of your stay?
For December 5 to December 7.
Thank you, sir. We have standard room, matrimonial room, and superior rooms available for those dates. Would you like to know the rates?
What is the rate of standard room?
Okay, sir. The standard room is 1,500 per night.
I would like to reserve one standard room, please.
To confirm, sir, is that December 5 to 7 for 2 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, correct.
May I have your full name and contact number, sir?
I'm Jeffrey Octavio and my contact number is 091234567889.
Excuse me, sir. Do you have any request regarding your reservation? For example, room location, early check-in, or additional services?
No special request, please, and thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Do you have any request regarding your reservation? For example, room location, early check-in, or additional services?
No special request, please, and thank you.
May I repeat your reservation details, sir? You reserved one standard room from December 5 to 7 under the name Jeffrey Octavio. Contact number 0912-345-6789 with no special request. Everything correct, sir?
Yes, that is correct.
Your reservation is now confirmed, sir. Thank you for choosing BSU Apartel. Have a pleasant day.
Thank you and goodbye.
Goodbye, sir.